So you have enough understanding of Java and you want to learn Hibernate and Java Persistence. And you want to start learning it from scratch. Or maybe you've had some experience with it, but still you feel that you've got some dark corners of Hibernate or Java Persistence API left to be understood. Hi, my name is Deshrad Singh Kiran and I'll be taking you through this course on Hibernate and JPA fundamentals. I'm a trainer at Maven Edge and also a working software consultant. In this course, we're going to start simple. In fact, we're going to start from scratch, understanding what is object persistence, the mismatch between the object model and the relational model, how object relational mapping helps with that mismatch, and walk our way through some of the advanced persistence topics. Everything we are going to cover in this course, we're going to do that with the help of an example. And not only that, but we'll also be discussing the code execution at runtime. And do not worry if you've never written any JDBC or SQL code before. We'll be covering all the basics required for a concept to be understood as easily as possible. And we'll be using so many animations throughout this course to make all the concepts as easy as possible. We'll start with Hibernate's native API and then we'll move on to using Hibernate as a JPA provider, as JPA has become the new standard for object relational mapping for Java-based applications. Don't worry if there is anything that you're not able to understand at the moment. We'll be covering all that in this course. And after almost every session, you'll be having a lab exercise to help build your confidence and also revise all the concepts learned in the previous session. And of course, we're going to talk about the best practices as well. I've been working with Hibernate since 2007, and I know that it could be a bit tricky to get started with. But in my experience, whether you're a beginner or already have some experience with it, we are going to cover all the grounds for you to be a confident and competent Hibernate programmer by the end of this course, and move on to even more advanced topics with confidence. So let's go ahead and get started.